Midjourney AI is one of the leading tools currently in the market. Unlike ChatGPT, Midjourney AI spits out images which you can use for any design-related use cases. In this video, I will show you how to log in into Midjourney AI, how to write advanced prompts and create awesome images. To use Midjourney AI, firstly you will need to download Discord app. To do that, simply register Discord account and you're good to go. Now let's open midjourney.com and click Join the Beta. Once you've done that, you will be invited to join the Midjourney Discord server. Now simply click Accept Invite and your browser will ping the Discord app. Click Open App and that's it. Before starting generating images, we recommend you to read the rules first. As you can see, the rules are quite straightforward. In the Getting Started section, you will find basic instructions on how to use this tool. To generate an image, you need to enter a newbie server and write a prompt using the following format: -imagine, and then write the description of the picture that you want to receive. For example, you could write, "Imagine a futuristic dark side of the moon under attack by aliens." Within 60 seconds, the server will generate 4 different versions of the image. To select the version you like best, use the U1, U2, U3 and U4 buttons to upscale the image. Once you've selected your preferred version, open the image in your browser and download it. If you would like to create variations of the generated image, use the V buttons to generate 4 different versions of the same image. You can repeat this process as many times as you like. Midjourney AI can create anything you want, but one of the main challenges is coming up with the creative ideas. To assist with brainstorming, you can use AI tool like ChatGPT. Log in into your ChatGPT account and ask for interesting ideas for your design, for example. Experiment with the tool and eventually you will find the inspiration that you need. Prompt presets is yet another great way to improve the speed of image generation. For example, this prompt can be used to improve almost any image. It's important to remember that you can use Midjourney to create not only realistic images, but also fictitious pictures of people. For instance, you can use the command imagine to ask for a picture of a man sitting in a room and looking at the camera. Additionally, you can add specific settings for the camera used to capture this picture, further enhancing its believability. It's truly astonishing how far this technology has come and how powerful it can be in unleashing your creativity. By leveraging Midjourney AI, you can unlock a world of possibilities and bring your visions to life like never before. If you're having difficulty coming up with ideas for your prompts, there are several ways to find inspiration. One useful technique is to look at what others are creating on the newbie server. You can browse through the live feed and even copy prompts that you find interesting to save for later use. However, if you are tired of the public feed, you can always opt for private messaging system with Midjourney, but while other users will still be able to see your prompt, your feed will remain clear. If you are concerned about the visibility of your prompts, you may want to consider purchasing the most expensive plan to hide your work from other users. This feature can be especially valuable if you're working on sensitive projects. With free trial, you can experiment with different prompts and test the tool's capabilities before committing to a paid plan. Midjourney AI is a versatile and powerful tool with seemingly limitless potential. One of the most significant advantages of this technology is that it generates unique images, making it invaluable resource for creators across a variety of fields. Whether you are working on a video or digital marketing campaign, Midjourney AI can help you bring your vision to life.